Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome you all in the class. So kids, today we will do writing practice of capital and small letters A to M. Capital and small letters A to M. So everyone take out your English practice notebook. Open it. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork here. So kids, let's read first, okay? This is capital letter A. This is small letter A, okay? This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. This one is capital letter C. This is small letter C. This is capital letter D. This one is small letter D. This is capital letter E. This is small letter E. This is capital letter F. This is small letter F. This is capital letter G. This is small letter G. This is capital letter H. This is small letter H. After H kids, this is capital letter I. This is small letter I. This is capital letter J. This is small letter J. This is capital letter K. This is small letter K. This is capital letter L. This is small letter L. This is capital letter M. This is small letter M. Okay, now everyone take out your pencil and write with me. First we will write capital letter A. So kids, what we have to do? We have to make slanting line. One more slanting line. And one sleeping line inside it. This is capital letter A. Now let's make small letter A. Yes? So, make small curve and small standing line. Small curve and small standing line. This is small letter A. Now let's make capital letter B. Okay? So kids, make standing line. Touch these lines properly. Then small curve. One more curve. Like this. This is capital letter B. Now let's make small letter B. Standing line. Join one. Small curve. Like this. Okay. Now let's make capital letter C. So kids, what you have to do? You have to make long curve. Like this. Now let's make small letter C. So kids, make one small curve for it. Like this. This is capital letter C. This is small letter C. Move to next. This is capital letter D. Let's make it. Standing line. Join one long curve. Like this. Standing line and you have to join one long curve. Now let's make small letter D. Standing line. Join one small curve. Like this. Okay, move to next. Let's make capital letter E now. Standing line. Okay. Sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Again sleeping line. Capital letter E. Let's make small letter E. Loop and curve. Loop and curve. Yes. Now move to next. This is capital letter F. Let's make it. Draw one standing line. Touch these lines properly. Small sleeping line. Again one more small sleeping line. Okay. Let's draw small letter F. Start from here. Loop, standing line, and one sleeping line on it like this. Okay. Again kids. Now come to next one. This is capital letter G. Let's make it. Make a long curve up, small sleeping line inside it, come with the same line, small standing line and touch it. Okay kids, like this. Now after this, let's make small letter G. Small letter G. So first we have to make one small curve like this. Then standing line and turn. Okay. Now come to next one. This is capital letter H. So first we have to make standing line. One more standing line. Then sleeping line. Okay kids. Now let's make small letter H. Standing line. Curve, standing line like this. Move to next one. This is capital letter I. Okay, let's make it. Draw one standing line. Now let's make small letter I. This is small letter I. Now you have to draw in only two lines. Now kids, make small letter I, small standing line, and draw a dot on it like this. Now next, this is capital letter J. This is small letter J. So first we will make capital letter J. So standing line and turn. Okay. Again now we have to make small letter J. So kids, standing line and turn like this and make a dot on it like this. Okay. Now this is capital letter K, this is small letter k. Let's draw first capital letter K, standing line, then slanting line from here, touch it, and from here one more slanting line. And you have to touch this line properly. Okay. Then kids, small letter K. So standing line like this. Now from here you have to draw slanting line. One more small slanting line like this. Okay. Now let's make capital letter L. Standing line, sleeping line. This is small letter L. Let's draw it. Standing line. Okay. Move to last one kids. This is capital letter M. This is small letter m. Let's draw capital letter M first. So kids, start from here, draw standing line up, okay, slanting line down, one more slanting line up, then standing line down. Now let's make small letter M. So kids, small standing line, come from a same line, curve, again standing line, move with the same line, curve and standing line. Okay, this is small letter M. So kids, like this you have to do this work in your English practice notebook. Okay, everyone take care. Bye bye.